วนลุมพินีLumphini Park Slices of Bangkok Oh Bangkok baby Slices of Bangkok In Bangkok, baby.
Okay, so we're in, you can see half of the sign, and then we're going to be going and kind of walking around a little bit, and then the other sign is over here. So Lumphini Park, so that's the other sign. So we're going to walk around and show you what it looks like, so stay tuned. I'll put it up on the map. Walking the streets of Bangkok, just in case you don't really know. So what I do is I'm usually in Macau and I'm filming streets and I'm kind of documenting it. And I also travel and I get down to Bangkok and I've been there many, many times, maybe 40 times over the last 30 years, maybe 50, 60 times over the last 30 years. And these days, the last 5-6 years since I've had this channel, I'm filming the streets. So you can see exactly where we're at in Bangkok. And we're going to be going down it. And I also have a lot of other streets in Bangkok, so just kind of stay tuned. I'll put up a new one every 3-4 days or so. So keep watching for more of those. Okay, as if you're there yourself, the streets of Bangkok, street by street. So yeah, this is Lodges Park, and I often hear it being referenced to almost like Central Park in New York. So we'll see what it's all about. Somebody was just coming up and told me that there's a lot of monitor lizards, so we'll be looking for that too. And let me just get into it more. So I'll turn the camera off until I get to something cooler. So as we're walking, here's a beautiful clock. It has the time up at the top. So we're walking by that. I guess we'll probably maybe work our way over to a body of water. Probably see the monitor lizards, I guess. Some pretty big, large birds in here too. Let's go check that out over there by the water. And there's one of the monitor lizards right there. So there might be some more around here. I heard there's quite a few around. I see another one over there. There's one right there as well. So pretty cool. I saw another one over on that side as well. So that's one, and there's another one right there. Big giant tongue. You can see the other one went in the water, but here's this one. Huge. And I think I saw some other ones over there too. But that's kind of one of the main tourist attractions right there. Let's get another one over here too. Yep, there's one right over there. It's a dead fish right there, fish head. Okay. So it looks like we also have some places to work out over there and lots of people over here. So yeah, you're kind of getting a taste. There's another monitor lizard swimming across the water. Somebody taking a nap over there. I don't know if I take a nap with monitor lizards. I heard they don't bite, so. Okay. Okay. People working out. Okay, let's go down further. Yeah, they're everywhere. There's another one right there coming along. There's a snake in the water, right? Is that a snake? You can see some other stuff in there too. or fish. I guess those are fish. Okay, I'm gonna meander a little bit more. It's a little area where people are working out. There's some outdoor equipment. Got these big birds right here. They're all over the park. And there's some cats too. There's a cat right over here. A wild cat. Okay. Kangaroo jump area. So yeah, places for kids of course as well. No kids at the moment. Which is good because then you wouldn't feel comfortable. There's a climbing tree right there. Actually says climbing tree. Kangaroo Park, and they had a little Australia flag. I guess it was gifted by Australia. Okay. And you got some places to get some snacks too, beverages and snacks. So, okay, kind of gives you an idea what it looks like. Okay, so I'm kind of looking for an exit. But yeah, there's a lot to the park. And I think that's going to be an exit over there, so we're going to conclude over there. Okay, so this is another entrance slash exit. And we're going to be going out of the exit. Lumphini Park. A lot of birds. Let's see if we see any monitor lizards before we go. Oh, there's one right there. Huge one. Okay, guess we'll end on that note.